Welcome to TechNotice, guys. Nice to see your smiling faces. Have you ever had issues with syncing your video in post? Huh? Is that you? Maybe that's you? Okay, I've got just the product for you. I'm here in the National Video Show here in the UK in Birmingham, and I'm in the Timecode Systems booth, and here's Paul. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm very good as well. So Paul's got a very interesting product or products.
Yeah.
So tell us about this and what this can do and who is this for?
So basically, our products, the whole suite of products, they're designed for anybody that's shooting video.
Yeah.
Multiple angles of video.
Okay.
So it's relevant for anybody, and separate audio.
Yeah.
So say for instance you have a bunch of pro cameras, or you have a bunch of GoPros, or DSLRs, or smartphones, and you want to create content with multi-angles to make it more engaging.
Yeah.
In post-production, if you don't synchronize those cameras, it takes forever, doesn't it?
It takes forever.
Forever in post-production, because it's a manual process.
Yes.
So we're here to try and make things easy with our products to synchronize all of those angles together,
Yeah.
so that when you get into the edit, everything has embedded timecode in it, which means that when you come to your edit software, you can just say multi-clip using timecode, boom, everything's lined up. No manual sort of clapping to try and get the audio or clap. It's just done.
Yeah.
So yeah, just make it easy. I mean, it could be a multi-camera music shoot, music video, or just multi-angles of a sports event, or anything, a wedding, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, even interviews. So you've got a few of the products over there. Tell us a little bit about them.
So if we take the professional products where you have pro cameras, pro audio, we've got a product here called UltraSync One. That's got sort of, if you like, industry standard connections on it to give time code and sync signals to a professional camera.
Yeah.
So they're all wirelessly controlled, so you can have a whole bunch of them. You can have thousands of them if you wanted, and they're all talking to each other over hundreds and hundreds of meters, basically, all in sync all day long.
Yeah.
Really simple. Then we've got some solutions for GoPro cameras.
Okay, I can see there's a GoPro over there.
So we've got a Hero 6 and Hero 7. So with the GoPro cameras, obviously it's a consumer camera, and it wouldn't normally be easy to synchronize.
Yeah.
But we have a product that attaches to the back of the GoPro called the Sync Back. And working very closely with GoPro now means that we can put accurate timecode sync information directly onto the media card of the GoPro. So it's behaving like an expensive pro camera.
Wow.
So you could film with a bunch of these on a music video, 6 or 7 of them, and they'll all be in sync with timecode. As soon as you bring it into your edit software, Final Cut Pro, Premiere, whatever you like, sync to timecode, it's done.
Yeah.
And if you're into video production, you know that time is money, and any time you can save on post-production is absolute gold. So if you can actually cut down your post-production costs, or actually time, even an hour or 10 minutes, you can do that over lifetime. There's a lot of time saved, and we know time is money, so this is fantastic.
And you must have had shoots where you have multiple angles and without any sync. How long does it take you How long does it take you to edit?
Oh man, it's horrendous.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a long time. It's a long time.
Yeah.
So we've got the solution for the pro cameras, pro audio, GoPros.
Okay.
And then we've got a new product which is called the UltraSync Blue. Right. So that talks to all of our other products over this long-range wireless system, but it has Bluetooth. So rather than having like a physical connection to go into a camera, it has a Bluetooth interface. Lots of manufacturers now are starting to adopt our Bluetooth protocol, including some very exciting app guys. So effectively, like for instance this Mavis app for iOS, for an iPhone, now runs with our embedded timecode over Bluetooth talking to this.
That's fantastic.
So you just need this in your top pocket. You can sync 4 devices from one box. Now we can shoot multi-camera on the iPhone, all in sync.
Wow.
So it's really powerful, and of course, if you embed that same protocol into DSLR cameras and other audio recorders, it means you don't have to be connected with a wire. You can just have embedded sync for easy edit.
Wow.
So,
I think this is very exciting. Now, I think everybody is wondering how much are the products and where can they get them from. do you ship worldwide? Because there's a lot of people watching from the America or the US. So if they're interested in this, where can they get them from?
Well, the first stop would be timecodesystems.com.
Yeah.
So, for instance, for worldwide, and we ship worldwide from there. So there's an online store, and then we have a whole worldwide dealership for selling the products from maybe one of your trusted suppliers.
Yeah.
So just go onto our timecodesystems.com and look on stockists, and you can find the stockists that maybe you use all the time.
I'm just gonna help you guys out. There's gonna be a link in the description below. So if you check out that link, that will take you straight to their website and you can get your products over there. Thanks very much, guys, for watching this video of Tech Notice. This was Timecode Systems, and Paul, thanks very much for taking this time. Yeah, so if you are new here, consider subscribing because more videos like this are coming out every single week. So hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button. If you didn't like this video, feel free to hit that dislike button twice, and I'll see you next week. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.